under and through, so you have kind of like a cross X thing happening. You're going to wrap your yarn around and you're going to pull it through. Now, casting on means you're going to be adding stitches to this left hand needle. So you want to go over and get the stitch that you just made off the right hand needle. To do that, you're going to come over, you're going to go on the back side, go through it, and slide your needle out. Then you're going to do another stitch. Go in the stitch you just put on, and you're going in and through, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, go over, get your stitch. In, yarn around, pull through, go over, get, put on. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, around, pull through, go over, get. In, around, pull it through, go over, get. In, around, pull through, go over, get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over, pull through, go get. In, around, pull through, go over, get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll do one more stitch. Go in, around, pull through, go over, slide it off. So now you have 10 stitches. Let's try knitting. You're going to do almost the same thing, but this time you're going to drop these stitches on the left needle off. So you're going to make a stitch. So go in, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, keep the right hand new stitch, jump that one off into space. Go in, go around, pull through. You now have 2 stitches. Push that one off. Go in, go around, pull through, push that one off. Go in, wrap your yarn, pull it through, 4 stitches, slide that one off. Go in, go around, pull it through, slide this one off. In, around, pull through, slide off. In, around, pull through, slide off. If you accidentally split your yarn, that is where your needle goes through your yarn instead of through the stitch, just readjust. Again, you're going in through the bottom, wrap your yarn. You're using that needle to literally pull this yarn through a loop, slide off the old. In, around, pulls through, slide off. Oops, one jumped off. Just stick them back on. In, around, pull through, slide off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We started with 10 and we ended with 10. Now, to next row, you want to make sure that you start and end with 10 stitches, because that's what we will have a nice straight edge. you want to make sure that this little bump right here is down. If you do this, you will increase by 1 stitch because you're going to want to go in this. So always make sure your yarn is in the down position and your bump is laying down. That way you can go in basically on top of the bump, through your stitch, wrap around, pull through, slide off. You're going in above the bump, in, wrap around, pull through, slide off. In, wrap around, pull through, slide off. In, wrap around, pull through, slide off. Remember, over the bump, not under the bump. Up top. Around, pull through, slide off. In, 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 around, pull through. You're keeping these guys, sliding off this guy. In, around, pull through, slide off. Empty needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitches. See how this little bump right here wants to come up? If you pull it down and give this bit a little tuggy, when you change hands, your bumps will be in the exact position for doing your next row. What I just showed you is called a garter stitch. It's where you're literally knitting every single row. And it's great for first beginners. It also works for Shetland lace knitting. And there's a lot of patterns that you can